everyone. Today we are departing from the vibrant city of Paris, and it has been a spectacular experience.
And today we are embarking to the most beautiful, fascinating, and magnificent country in the world, Switzerland. Switzerland is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful countries in the world with its breathtaking mountains, crystal clear lakes, charming villages, and stunning architecture. This alpine wonderland is a feast for your senses.
This is where we stayed during our Paris trip, and for sure we are going to miss this beautiful, calm, and peaceful locality. Since we are traveling with kids, we are leaving a bit early to have some buffer time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and do watch this video till the end to see our train journey and our cozy apartment.
If you have any questions or any travel inquiries, and if you want to share your experience, traveling experience, then do write in the comment box. We'll be more than happy to reply to those. We are boarding from Paris Gare de Lyon. This is one of the major stations in Paris to take the train to other European countries.
Wow, this much of a crowd was not expected. Despite being a weekday, the station looks pretty full. Many people are waiting for the train.
Indeed, it's a full house on a weekday. And why not? This is the place where people take train to go to other countries in Europe. Our train hasn't been assigned to the platform yet. I think we have to wait a bit longer, but we'll utilize the time by having the breakfast.
Finally, it has been assigned to the platform. We are very thrilled. Considering the crowd and the season, it was a good idea to pre book the tickets 1 month in advance.
We are boarding TGV Lyria 9213. This is a non-stop train from Paris to Zurich, with 4 stops in between. The journey duration is about 4 hours and 4 minutes with a maximum speed of 320 kilometers per hour. Despite traveling with two kids under 12 years and having ample of luggage, we never found it difficult to commute in the trains. For this particular trip, we have booked the first class compartment, and well, the train is fully booked and crowded.
Okay, after settling down, now we will be having our breakfast peacefully.
As we have mentioned earlier, we believe Europe is best explored either on foot or on train. Trains in Europe are super comfortable, fast, and on time. Plus, you can enjoy some really breathtaking and enchanting views.
I am very enthusiastic about Swiss and don't want to miss any single view. Meanwhile, my kids are napping since they woke up early. It's been 2 hours since we started, and now we are purchasing some snacks from the train pantry. I'm really amazed on how they have nicely designed this pantry compartment. You can eat and drink while enjoying your view.
Provided if your kids allow you to enjoy the views. I don't know whether you have seen this kind of snack or not, but I'm seeing it for the first time and I don't like it at all. But my kids are enjoying it to the fullest.
Will soon be arriving in Basel. Please make sure you have all your belongings with you as you leave the train. Thank you for travelling with TGV Lyria today, and we wish you a very pleasant day.
We have entered in Switzerland. We can see Swiss flags in many areas. Yay! Finally, we have reached Zurich. We haven't bought the SIM card locally because we are carrying a roaming SIM card. But we suggest everyone to have a local SIM card as it is cost effective.
Well, my daughter is very excited about Swiss. When you think of Swiss, you always think of mountains and cold weather. But damn, it is very hot at the moment. It's about 35 degrees. And we have to take a cab to our hotel apartment. It's about 20 minutes drive from here. For now, we are traveling in a cab, but soon we'll take the Swiss pass to travel in the trams and the trains.
So we have arrived. It is past 5:30 p.m. when we reached. Reception and staff have left already. It was little scary to be left out, but the team is working remotely to help us. They gave instruction over the phone and on WhatsApp on how to self check in. It took us a little while to understand the procedures. Our expectation after Paris Airbnb has increased. Hope this apartment is also as clean and as good as Paris apartment. We are very curious. So got our card and we are moving in now. As we enter, the first apartment is ours. Wow, this is a huge apartment. Stylish, neat, clean, and in amazing condition. My entire family is happy.
I'm very delighted that it has cost us only 1,800 US dollars, including taxes for 9 nights. Wow, amazing. Well, thank you for watching this video.
See you
See you
next
next
time.
time. Bye bye.